Hi, I'm Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties, and welcome to Financial Fridays. People are asking me, and when I say people, I mean buyers, are asking me, how can I compete in this crazy market? So my first tip is, number one, if you have a home to sell, sell your home. Now I know that sounds like a big leap of faith, and it can be. Sometimes we have to look at maybe some temporary housing, short-term until you're finding that next home. But it's hard to compete with multiple offers and you have a home that you have to make a contingent offer on. So try to get rid of that contingency. Second thing, cash is king, baby. If you have cash, use it. A lot of people sometimes will pull their funds out of retirement accounts and that. Beware that you may have some penalties with that. But if you can use your cash, use it. You can also be more flexible with your mortgage loan amount when you have some cash. And so cash is king. The third thing is make your offer as attractive as possible to the seller. So you'll want to find out some things if you can from your agent to the other agent of the seller. What's their ideal time frame of closing? The other thing that you may look at are a couple contingencies that you could possibly remove, which would be one is an appraisal contingency. I always tell people, if you want to buy this house, buy the house and pull that appraisal contingency so you can go ahead and close. That also relieves a lot of stress for the seller. And the last thing would be inspections and repairs. You can really streamline your offer if you take out that repair contingency or the inspection contingency. Now, a lot of times you'll want to do those inspections, but if you don't have it built into the contract, the seller feels a lot better moving forward with your offer than possibly the other two or three. So hopefully these 3 tips are helpful. Good luck and happy house hunting. Always reach out to one of our agents at REMAX Capital Properties. Visit Cheyenne Home Store or 635-0303. Thanks. Have a great day.